At the beginning, I just made a video on that. Is social media spoiling your career or is social media is making your career? Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. And in this particular video, we're gonna deep dive on the topic that why we need to be on social media platform for a student, for a business owner. I mean, for a business and for individual as well. And there is some kind of self-awareness kind of stuff as well. And so basically, it's like somehow a deep kind of stuff that people need to understand. And so you know what, before you just jump into that particular video, make sure you just subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notification when I upload any new video. So now let's start basically and understand the all the, you can say, basics of the social media, that really we need to understand that is it beneficial to use social media or not. So let's understand the very first thing is that, you know what, if anything you are using access, right? So for some people, if he or she is doing for their work, then that is good. But some people, if it is just doing that work for just enjoying and kind of stuff in access, then that's not good for you, right? Good for anyone, not for me, not for you, for everyone, right? So that's the small thing. If you're using that kind of stuff in access, then be aware, be self-aware that is it doing for you, I mean, you are doing that particular stuff for your work or for any kind of stuff that literally not gonna help you. Now let's deep dive actually. So the very first thing is that if you talk about social media, if you're on a offline platform, if you talk about, let talk about first for the business owner and just doing the startup kind of stuff, any kind of stuff, I mean, who just wanted to get their own business just through the social media. So number one thing is that just think about that, if that person gonna start their business offline, then it took a lot more money and a lot more stuff to create a lot more things, right? Either we talk about the, you can say, a physical store and kind of stuff. At the same time, if I say that if you have to create your account on a Facebook, on a Instagram, on a LinkedIn, so what money it would take? It's take zero amount, right? And see, if you talk about the audience at that time, then there is like some selected audience in your region, on your local area. But at the same time, if you talk about when you come on the Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, on LinkedIn, then what is the, you can say, the total audience? It's like huge. You're gonna interact with the all over the world. If you talk about in India, if you talk about USA, if you talk about UK, anywhere you can just run your ad and you can interact with the people as per your product or services, right? So this is the number first thing that we need to understand, that, right? And this is, you know what, this is for the business owners, this is for the businesses. Now if you talk about students of an individual, then why for some people it is important, but why for some people it is like not important, right? If you talk about me, I'm also a BTech third year student, and along with that I'm just documenting my journey on social media platform, right? So I'm using social media platform to create my own personal brand so that people know me, that I'm doing something, right? So all the people, all the student who just wanted to create their own personal brand on the all over social media, and they just wanted to create something in coming future days, and like some kind of thing that they really wanted to create, right? So they need to be on the social media, they need to be. If you talk about like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, all the platform, you need to be there, because all the platform have the different you can say category of people. If you talk about Facebook, there is a different kind of, you can say, genre, not genre, yeah, a different kind of people there. If you talk about at the same time in LinkedIn, the different kind of people are there. On Facebook, like all type of people are available, but if you talk about LinkedIn, all type of people are not available, right? If you talk about TikTok, all type of people are not available. So if your business is related to like more professional kind of people, then you need to be on the LinkedIn, right? If your business is related to like you can say young age people, so you need to be on Instagram, you need to be on TikTok kind of stuff, right? So these are the some basic things that we need to understand, that why social media is very important nowadays especially, okay? And yeah, as I also told that it's like personal branding, and for some people it's like not bad, I mean good. And those people are like who are just preparing for their get. You know what, let me tell you one thing. And at earlier at my live last live, not last live but maybe before that, I did a live with Subham actually, who's a very good singer, who's a mechanical engineer, and also preparing for the gate exam, right? So that was the last live that he did with me, and after that he just uninstalled the Instagram because he just wanted, like, he just think like that the Instagram is disturbing him to focus on their study, and that's why he just uninstalled the Instagram. And he was just thinking like that, after some month later I'm gonna install this Instagram as well, right? So that's great. So we need to be self-aware. Like, if you're using for normal purpose, it is also good. You can, if you think that I can manage the time, my time for my gate exam, for my any kind of thing that I'm doing, I'm preparing for that, so that's great as well. But if you think like that this is a disturbing kind of stuff that I'm in my work, in my study, any kind of thing, then you need to uninstall that, right? So you need to be self-aware, like whatever I'm saying, that is it going to be good for you or maybe not good for you. So you need to be self-aware whatever you're doing. And you know what, other kid, if you talk about the 13-year 14-year kid, like what I personally believe, they need to come on the social media platform, like you can say YouTube, or you can say like Instagram, you can say Facebook, LinkedIn. You know why? Because they have like a whole career in their, like a bit, they are now in 13, they come into like 23, up to that they have a teen year, right? So in this 10 year they just create a huge kind of their personal brand as per their work, whatever they're liking, just creating the kind of stuff they love to do, they wanted to create. Like, okay, so as you know about Aditi, it's Rahul's VIP group member. He just created more than 500 videos in just 8 months. And for her, I can say that like it's a huge kind of stuff. If they start creating content everywhere, that gonna help a more, I mean, help in a lot more manner. So for that, my one suggestion to those people who are just creating such kind of stuff, be there and just be consistent in your work, be persistent in your work. Don't think like that you're gonna, if you're not getting results now, it's okay, but you're gonna get all huge results in coming forward days. So that's the my basic and a somehow a deep, a little bit deep understanding about why we need to be on a social media platform, and is it really beneficial or it is not beneficial for us, right? So that's it for as of now for that particular video. I hope you got the value from this video, and if you got value from this video, please do share this video to another people so that they get benefited as well. And as always, keep smiling and be happy, and thank you very much.